Good morning, children. Today we start the new chapter, chapter 3. The chapter name is Excel 2010 Working with Charts. In this section, we discussing what is charts and its types. What do you mean by chart? A chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. In other words, it is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. It is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. That means a chart is a tool you can use in Excel to communicate your data graphically. Okay, a chart is a tool you can use in Excel to communicate your data graphically. What is chart? A chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. In other words, it is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. It helps to provide a better understanding of large quantities of data. In chart, you have x-axis and y-axis. Categories on where x-axis and values on where y-axis. Types of chart. Excel has a variety of chart types. Some of the different types of charts available in Excel are column chart, line charts, pie charts, bar charts, area charts and surface charts. First one, column chart. What do you mean by column chart? Column charts use vertical bars to represent data. It's mainly used for what? Comparing information. Okay, here this is your column chart. Here this is the x-axis. This is what? Y-axis. Here for column chart we take this x-axis for what? Categories and y-axis for what? Representing values. Okay, here use vertical bars to represent data. In bar charts work like column charts. What is the difference is that they use horizontal bars instead of vertical bars. That means this is a bar chart. Here also you have x-axis and y-axis. Here use what? Horizontal bar to represent data. Horizontal bar to represent data. Only these things you have to remember. That is, for column chart you place what? Categories on where x-axis and values on where y-axis. You get what? Vertical bar to represent data. Okay, next in bar chart we use what? In bar chart you place values on where x-axis and categories on where y-axis. You get what? Horizontal bar. They use the horizontal bar to represent data. These are the difference between what? Column chart and bar chart. What is the common similarities of these two charts? Column charts and bar charts are commonly used for what? Comparing informations or comparing data. Next one, line chart. What? Line chart. Line charts are used for what? Line charts are ideal for showing trends. The data points in line chart, the data points are connected with lines, making it easy to see whether values are increasing or decreasing over time. Here data points are connected with what? lines. This is your line chart. Here also you have x-axis and y-axis. Categories on x-axis, values on y-axis. The data points are connected with lines. Next one, area charts. Area chart similar to line chart except the areas under the lines are filled in. Okay, under the lines are filled in. Similar to line charts except the areas under the lines are filled in. This area charts also have x-axis and y-axis. X-axis, categories on x-axis and the values on y-axis. Next one is what? Pie chart. Pie charts make it easy to compare proportions. Each value is shown as a slice of the pie. So it is easy to see which values make up the percentage of a whole. So what is pie charts? Make it easy to compare proportions. Each value is shown as a slice of pie. So it's easy to see which values make up the percentage of a whole. This is your pie charts. Last one is what? Surface chart. Surface chart. Surface charts allow you to display data across a 3D landscape. They work best with large data sets, allowing you to see a variety of information at the same time. Okay, you to see a variety of information at the same time to display data across the 3D landscape. This is your surface chart. In this section, you will learn how to what is chart and different types of charts available in Excel. What are they? Column charts, line charts, pie charts, area charts, bar charts and surface charts. I hope all are understood these topics. Thank you.